This video is brought to you by Senior Life Simplified. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to our channel, Senior Life Simplified. Today we're diving into the world of cooking for 1 or 2 seniors, focusing on easy and healthy recipes for those over 55. Cooking for fewer people doesn't have to mean less flavor or enjoyment. In fact, it can be an opportunity to explore new recipes, prioritize health, and have fun in the kitchen. First, let's talk about the benefits of home-cooked meals. Cooking at home allows you to control the ingredients, reduce excess sodium and sugar, and prioritize lean proteins and fresh vegetables. Plus, it can be a fulfilling and rewarding activity, fostering creativity and mindfulness. Now let's explore some easy recipe ideas that are both nutritious and delicious. Starting with breakfast, why not try a vibrant vegetable omelet with a side of fresh fruit? Packed with protein and vitamins, it's a terrific way to kick off your day. Or lunch, consider a hearty grain salad. Combine cooked quinoa with cherry tomatoes, cucumber, a handful of spinach, and a sprinkle of feta cheese. Drizzle with balsamic vinegar for a tasty meal that's good for your heart and easy on your digestive system. When it comes to dinner, stir-fries are a fantastic option. They're quick, versatile, and loaded with nutrients. Use whatever vegetables you have on hand. Add a source of protein like tofu or chicken, and toss everything in a little olive oil and garlic. Soups are another excellent choice. A simple lentil soup with carrots, celery, and spices can be made in larger batches and frozen for future meals, providing warmth and nutrition. For snacks, consider yogurt with a handful of nuts or a piece of fruit. They're convenient, sustaining, and help sate midday cravings without resorting to unhealthy options. Finally, here are a few tips to make cooking for 1 or 2 more efficient. Plan your meals for the week. Utilize your freezer for leftovers and keep your pantry stocked with essentials like whole grains, canned beans, and spices. With these recipes and tips, cooking for 1 or 2 seniors can be a delightful and healthful experience. Remember, the key is to keep meals simple yet nourishing, and to enjoy the process of preparing and savoring them. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you have not done so already, so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Also, you might like some of our other channels we have on YouTube, like short Bible stories, hard biblical questions, and top 10 most loved Bible verses. Please check them out. I think you will enjoy them. Thank you and God bless.